Finding gifts for crafters is very easy. All you have to do is come up with a theme. So in this case, a great way of getting a gift for a crafter is giving the crafter yarn and a pattern. This is a good type of label to look for when you're looking for something so that it's tested. Some yarns are flammable, so you would want to use caution if you're giving it as a gift. This bag came from the net bag that you get from the dollar store Glass Gems. So a good thing to do is to just recycle the bag and put the size needle that the patterns recommend in the little bag. So I did a review on this. I love this because it has a grip, easy grip handle, so it makes it easier to crochet with. Please check out that video for the full review. But all you would have to do is put some of the crochet hooks, or if you want knitting needles, in a little bag like this. In the case of the knitting needles, just tie a bow around the needles and present it with a pattern and some yarn, and any crafter will enjoy that gift. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.